Hello and welcome to Talukdar Helpline. I'm Oliver, and today we will practice essential English you need for traveling.
Hi everyone, I'm Eliana, and together we will guide you through every step of an airport journey in simple and clear English.
First, when you arrive at the airport, head to the check-in counter with your passport and ticket ready.
You can say, "Hello, I have a flight to London. Can I check in here, please?"
Repeat after me. Hello, I have a flight to London. Can I check in here, please?
Perfect. Now, when the agent asks for your passport and ticket, respond with, "Certainly, here you go."
Let's practice. Certainly. Here you go.
Next, they will ask how many bags you are checking. Simply say, "Just one suitcase," or "I have 2 bags."
Repeat that with me. Just one suitcase. I have 2 bags.
After that, you get your boarding pass. You can ask, "Could I have my boarding pass, please?"
Good. Could I have my boarding pass, please?
Check your boarding pass carefully. It tells your gate and boarding time. Gate means the door to board the plane.
Now, let us pretend I am the staff. You give sentences and I will reply. Ready?
"Hello, I have a flight to London. Can I check in here, please?"
Can I have your passport and ticket?
"Certainly, here you go."
How many bags are you checking in?
"Just one suitcase."
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 24 and boarding starts at 3:15.
Thank you very much.
After check-in, you go through security.
At security, you show passport and boarding pass again. Keep them in your hand.
Then, place your carry-on bag on the scanner belt and walk through the machine.
A carry-on bag is the small bag you bring on board. Your big suitcase stays with the airline.
Security may ask you to take off your shoes or remove your laptop from the bag.
If you do not understand, say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you speak more slowly?"
Once you clear security, follow signs or ask someone, "Excuse me, where is gate 24?"
Signs show directions like A gate 24 or B gate 5.
At the gate, wait in line and show your boarding pass and passport again.
When you board the plane, say "Hello" and let the attendant guide you to your seat.
Your seat number is on the boarding pass, for example, 14A.
Find row 14 and look for seat A. A means window, aisle means walkway side, and middle is between 2 seats.
Place your bag in the overhead bin or under the seat.
If you need help, say, "Excuse me, can I ask for assistance, please?"
During the flight, attendants may offer drinks or meals. You can say, "I would like water, please," or "Can I have a coffee?"
If you do not understand the question, again use, "Sorry, I did not understand. Could you repeat, please?"
When the seatbelt sign turns off, you may move around or go to the restroom.
To ask location, say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom, please?"
After landing, stay seated until the seatbelt sign goes off, then collect your bag.
Proceed to passport control and present your passport. Officer may ask, "Purpose of your visit?"
You answer, "I am here for tourism," or "I am here on business."
Then they ask length of stay. Say, "I will stay for 2 weeks," or "I will stay 10 days."
Next, go to baggage claim to collect large checked suitcase.
Find the belt number on the display, then wait for your suitcase to appear.
If you cannot find your bag, ask, "Excuse me, I cannot find my bag. Could you help me, please?"
They direct you to the help desk where you give flight number and contact details.
Then exit to arrivals hall and look for transportation options.
For taxi, ask, "Taxi, please." Then state, Hotel Plaza, please.
To check fare, ask driver, how much to Hotel Plaza? Or, what is the fare, please?
If traffic is heavy, you can ask, is there a faster route, please?
When you arrive at your hotel, say, good evening, I have a reservation under John Smith.
Or ask for room type. Could I have a room with free Wi-Fi and city view, please?
Front desk will assign your key. You can ask, what time is breakfast served?
Next, if you need directions inside hotel, ask, where is the elevator, please? And where is the gym?
If you need extra items, say, could I have extra towels, please?
When you check out, say, I would like to check out, please, and ask, can I settle my bill now?
Beyond the hotel, you might want restaurant or sightseeing phrases.
In a restaurant, say, table for two, please, and can I see the menu, please?
To order, say, I would like the chicken curry, please, and ask, could you recommend a local dish?
You practice these phrases often to build confidence and fluency.
That covers most travel situations, from check-in to hotel and beyond.
Keep listening, repeating aloud, and you will soon speak airport English like a native.
Thank you for joining us at Talukdar Helpline. Safe travels and see you next time.
Before we finish, let us quickly review some key phrases together.
Say your check-in phrase now. Hello, I have a flight to Paris. Can I check in here, please?
Now, security short practice. Please take off your shoes and place your bag on the belt.
Again, please take off your shoes and place your bag on the belt.
Next, practice asking for gate. Excuse me, where is gate 15B?
Now repeat. Excuse me, where is gate 15B?
Next, train ticket at station. One ticket to downtown, please.
One ticket to downtown, please.
Let's practice emergency phrase. I lost my passport. Can you help me?
Repeat. I lost my passport. Can you help me?
If your credit card disappears, say, I cannot find my credit card. Could you advise me, please?
Practice online payment question. Do you accept credit cards or cash only?
In a restaurant, say, could I get the bill, please?
And say thank you at the end of every interaction.
You are now equipped with a wide range of travel phrases. Keep practicing daily.
Before we sign off, here are some bonus polite phrases to enhance your travel English.
Please, thank you, excuse me, sorry, and you're welcome are must-know words.